In this video, let us see how an external file could be missing from a Blender project and the solutions to avoid such happenings. We would also learn how to reduce the memory of a file. Let us start the video. Open Blender 2.8. First let us save the file, as we would open and close it several times. Click Save As. Now let's save the file as pack.blend. Rename the file and save it. After saving, select all the objects and delete them by pressing X. Now press Shift A and select Images as planes. We would load a sample image to our file to explain the concept. I already have an image in the desktop. We select that image. Now go to the Look Dev mode to view the image. Also, go to the top view by pressing 7 and then zooming it in for a clear view. With our image loaded into the file, let us save it and then go to the desktop. In the desktop, we create a new folder for instance. This is done to change the location of the image. We rename the folder and move the image into the new folder. Refresh the computer once. Then let us open Blender again. After opening Blender, select the pack.blend file we saved already. Notice this. The image we loaded has disappeared. Let us fix this now. If the file created is native to the system and the image is missing, it should have been deleted or changed its location. We know that the location has been changed. Select the image and in the Materials tab click the FAC option. In that, a file-like symbol is present. Click that which opens a window. We can select our image from the new location now. Now we have retrieved our image. This is a simple way. Let us see what to do if we delete the image or transfer the file to a new system. Now assume that this file has to be transferred to another system. The system may or may not have the image. What to do now? Go to the File menu, and search for the External Data option. In that, there is an option called Pack All into .blend. Clicking the option would pack all the external files into our Blender file. Then we can run this file in any system without the need of transferring the image. The FAC option also has changed its file-like option to a different symbol. The pack option also packs datas like audios, fonts, videos etc. To understand the pack option, let us go to the desktop, select the folder and delete it along with the image. Now the image is not available in the system as an external file. But inside the Blender file the image would be present due to the pack option. This can also be used when the file is in its native system but the image used is deleted. But use the pack option before you delete the external file. When you pack the external data in a Blender file, the file size automatically increases. This is because the external data being copied into the Blender file. This can be known by checking the file size in its properties. To reduce the memory, unpack the data by clicking the File-like option. In that, select Use File from Current Directory. This would unpack the data into a new folder where the Blender file is present. you would notice that the symbol changes to the old file symbol. Let us click that and have a look at the unpacked data. Notice that it has created a new folder called texture to place the external data. We would also check the file size of the Blender file. It is still the same size as we didn't save the Blender file. Let us save and then check the file size. After saving, check the size and you would come to know that it has been reduced much when compared to the previous one. You can always pack these files again when transferring it to another system or changing the location of the external data. I hope that this video helped you in understanding the concept of external data and packing them into Blender. In a future video we will explore more about this concept. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.